Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also at the same time see my screen. Today, I want us to start off analysis with a chart on my screen. This is EURUSD. We are in a very good downtrend. As you can see, the price is headed short, but we are waiting to see what happens during the NFP news. Today is the NFP news. This is Friday, the first Friday of the month. So we do have a level here. We also do have a level here. We are basically expecting that either the price will break above this line during the NFP 1.10489 or the price will break below 1.10086 in the NFP. If that happens, you're going to pick a trade in the direction of the breakout. So if the price descends below this line during the NFP, that is a good sign that we are now headed downwards. And if the price breaks above 1.10486, then that should be a sign that we are now heading to the upper side. So we'll be able to see what happens. If we go above this line, we'll be continuing upwards. If the price goes below this line, we will be continuing downwards. The other chart is GBPUSD. On GBPUSD so far, we actually do expect the same thing which we had on EURUSD. It's the same thing which we expect to happen on GBPUSD. We are indeed upwards. We are heading downward. Sorry. Heading downwards, as you can see. The price has been bearish from this point here. We had a downtrend, retracement, downtrend, and a retracement. Then as it is right now, the price is headed downwards. So we actually expect a possible break and a close below 1.30910, which is this line here. If that happens, it will be a good sign that the price is now continuing to the lower side. So if the price descends and closes below this line, we want to wait for a retracement back towards the same line to mean that the price is continuing downward. So expect a breakout, a retracement, and then a continuation to the lower side. The other chart is the USDJPY. So on USDJPY so far, the price is bearish. We are in a downtrend. It looks like the price is continuously moving in a bearish manner. So we expect to see this line, this level should give us a very good support, maybe a good place to be looking for a buy from. So we do expect the buyers to come in from around this area. But if the price breaks or closes below this zone, then it will be a good sign that we are now headed short towards the next line, which is this one. If that is broken, the next line is this one. If that is broken, the next line is this one. So expect a move, a break below this line to push us downwards towards this point. The next target is this one. If the price can bounce off from this line, then this should give us a good place to look for a buy from. So that should be my opinion. The other chart is gold. So on gold, so far, we are looking at this resistance zone. We have a very good resistance. If the price can move up and touch this zone, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So just wait and see what happens. If the price does not break above this zone, this is the best place to look for a sell from. But in case we see a breakout and a close above this zone, we want to wait for a retracement before the price can continue in that direction. So wait and see what happens. So if you go above this line, we want to see a retracement before the price can continue even higher. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.